So AXON was a gap down. This setup is called gap down reversal. If you remember my gap and crab setups, this is the opposite of the gap and setup. And how would you know how to buy this? Ripster Clouds will tell you. If the pre-market low is holding and you call the 512s, you take the long right away. Put your stops under this support level. Put your stops here. The pre-market planning on AXON highlighted as a red, bearish bias to short the pop, confirm under the pre-market lows. So we had a bearish bias, but it never confirmed as a short and it became the long. When I saw the move, I told the traders 512 curls, stops under the 512s. It started to hold here. People were getting a little impatient, but you do not get impatient. You see it's forming a cup. As it started to push, I told the traders to put the stops at 572. As it started to move, I told the traders to put stops at 580. Our target was, of course, the psychological level 600. And you see your target is always MTF. If there's an MTF, that's your target. You draw Fibonacci's as well. You draw the Fibonacci from the closing price to the opening price, and you will find your Fibonacci targets. AXON also curled all the way to 0.5 Fibonacci, and then it touched the 1 hour MTF as well for a nice curl winner. From the 475 ads, it ran all the way to 650. It was almost $60-70 per share profit. Even if you were in 100 shares, you risked 1,000. 100 shares, you made 5-6 grand. That's how you have to do it. Options were a little spready, but still it was a beautiful trade on AXON. No hindsight, no BS. Step by step, Ripster Clouds tell you my concepts of pre-market levels, my fib concepts, my MTF concepts. They teach you how to trade these setups. So hopefully next time you see this setup, and sometimes it will not curl, it will break here and we will get out. We will take a loss and we'll move on. We actually almost stopped out because it almost hit our stops, but you see that how close it was to stop us out, but it held 512s and it continued to push to give us a huge winning trade all the way. So earnings season, there's one more play that was amazing for us. This was SEDG, another system where we use the power of the MTF cloud with the catalyst. This is the most profitable trading system that you will use, and you can literally change your life as long as your winners are bigger, and they are bigger. Plays I pick with my experience, I know they can work, they can push, and we have losers, but our winners are much more than that. I've seen the markets. I have made enough money in a day. I've made millions in a day. I have lost millions in a day. I've learned hard lessons, and I teach you guys so that you guys can also utilize that. All right, so let's look at SCDG. SCDG, I made it as a red, short as long as under 31. So pay special attention. We were bearish bias, but when it pushed over the 512 clouds, I told the traders that it's not a short, it's a 512 long, and I told the traders it's going to push towards the MTF. First MTF breakout, second MTF breakout, third MTF breakout, and the target I gave was 40, and we did hit our 40 target, and I told the trader that's going to break out, and we heard all the way from 31, 32, long here at 32, your risk is right under 31. It was almost $10 per share run, insane run on SCDG. So that's how you find these big trades, guys. You need to be on top of them, and you need to know when those big setups come up.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.